Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix DTLS connection Discord. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the DTLS connecting and you are facing this issue, right? So what is the problem? The main problem can be your internet connection. So first check your internet connection by going to some of the websites like first.com. Just go to that website to check your internet speed. All right, after checking the internet speed, if it works fine, then what you can do is simply just close your Discord from the background like this. You need to close your Discord and then reopen that, and again try to connect the voice chat. After that, if it doesn't work as well, then what you can do is simply just restart your PC and it will be all right. And after that, if this happens to your server, you need to check your server region. So what you can do is simply just go to the voice channel settings from here. Then as you can see, my region override is selected as automatic. So if you are just from India or USA, you probably have selected these or that. So you need to set it to automatic and you will be done. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a great day.